The new pope will be selected via an election process among cardinals below 80 years old. A few days after the burial of Pope Francis, the 135 members of the College of Cardinals will gather closed doors at the Sistine Chapel of the Vatican. There, through secret paper balloting, they will choose or vote for that one cardinal among themselves to be the next pope. Anyone who will first get the 2/3 supermajority out of the 135, which is 90, he becomes the 267th Pope of the Roman Catholic Church. See you in the next video.